Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix trackpad click too sensitive on Mac. So if your Mac trackpad feels too sensitive and the click are being registered with a little pressure, it can become frustrating to use. You may accidentally open files, selected items or trigger action when you don't intend. In most cases, this happens because the trackpad click pressure setting, which control how firmly you need to press before a click is recognized. Fortunately, Mac lets you adjust this setting. Let's see how you can adjust it. First, you need to click on this Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system settings. Now here in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to now here, as you can see, click setting is set to light. That's why the trackpad register clicks too easily. So now move the slider towards medium or firm. After adjusting settings, spend few moments by clicking the trackpad and check how it feels. If needed, continue making small adjustments until accidental clicks are no longer an issue. Once you're satisfied with the result, close settings and that's it. You are good to go. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.